Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, hi, my name is Destiny. Alrighty guys, so first and foremost, please excuse my voice. I'm getting over a cold and my voice has not returned yet. It's, working its way back up, but yeah, so please excuse my voice. I'm debating if I'm gonna do a voiceover or if I'm just gonna talk to you guys as is, but yeah, a little disclaimer. Anyways, in today's video, I'm just going to show you guys a little Sunday reset. I'm going to be cleaning my boys' room. Typically, I get them to clean their room because they're 6 and 3, and I tell them whenever you play with something, you put it right back, and they're pretty good at doing that. But their cousin came over and they made a huge mess. Mind you, usually when she does come over, I get them all to clean, but it's one of those where it got so bad that I have to take over because I like things to be particular, but placed in particular places. And they have bins for certain toys and they're all scattered all over the place. So I'm gonna do a room reset for them so that they can get back into their normal routine into putting stuff away. So again, a little disclaimer, it's a hot mess. It is what it is. I have 2 kids. I'm currently 5 months pregnant. So like, this is a realistic clean with me kind of thing. It's a mess. Don't judge me. Even if you do, it is what it is. So first I'm going to start off with, what am I going to start off with? I don't even know. I'm going to show you guys the hot mess. And I think I'm either going to do like a voiceover or play music and you guys just watch me clean pretty much. But without further ado, let's just hop right into it. Okay guys, so this is what we're currently working with. This is what I mean by a hot mess. I swear to you, the room typically does not look like this. But as you can see, it's a disaster, a complete disaster. To be fair, I was folding laundry over here and I'm like, oh, I should probably film this because why not? I'm just sitting here doing laundry, so that's why there's so much clothes here and then there's the basket and stuff there. But like, yeah, so this is what we're working with. So I'm gonna just show you guys how I get the room looking from this to clean. guys, so the bed area is all good to go. This is what we're dealing with. I literally just pretty much threw everything from the top bunk and on the bottom to the floor and in this corner. So this corner is a terrible mess, but we are gonna tackle this right now. So let's begin. Look how much better this is. Oh my goodness. The bed's done. Next I have to do laundry, but that was going to have to wait for another day. But yeah, the room is small, but oh my goodness, they got it so messy. And then the closet, once I do laundry, right now I have their other clothes in these bins. This is so helpful if you have a small space. Literally I divided, so this is the Miguel's, or the dark blue, D'Angelo, and then this is like miscellaneous things. These I have to fill their closet once I'm done the laundry, but everything is all good to go. These are the outfits, pre-made outfits for the boys. It just makes everything so much more simpler. But yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And then until then, I'll see you guys next time.